Ayan, so good morning po sa ating lahat. Sa magandang umaga po to all our guests po na nandito po from BA Ayala and Associates Christmas Party 2025. Palakpakan naman po tayong lahat. Yes. Ayan, sana po ganito ang vibe natin hanggang dulo ng ating programa po. So enjoy lang po tayo. And of course, feel the vibe. And this day is a time to be united po sa mga kasamahan po ninyo. And also to get together din in bonding na po. So meron po tayo mga hinandang mga games at mga part ng ating program na abangan natin maya-maya lamang. So we would like to request everybody to bear with us, join us all throughout the program po, no? Para lahat po ng ating mga guests this morning ay mag-e-enjoy po, no? Okay? So, syempre naman po, we are about to officially begin our program. But once again, from the Ayala and Associates Christmas Party po, palakpakan na po tayo muna. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan, para hindi natin maramdaman na, konti pa po tayo. Ayan, di ba, para yung presensya natin is still merry ang ating Christmas. Ayan. So, hindi na natin patatagalin pa po. Siyempre naman, may I request lang po everybody to please rise. Magsipagtayo na po ang lahat. Siyempre naman po, because we are about to formally begin first, of course, as well, our program lamang po with our opening prayers. May I call on Ma'am Anna? Ayan. So, Ma'am Anna lamang po. So, lead our prayer. And their introduction po, as you can see. And of course, syempre naman po, followed by some games or promises, messages, raffles, and syempre yung lunch po natin. And mamaya din po ay meron po tayong appreciation or recognition of some of our employees po. Ayan. And the Thanksgiving closing. So, enjoy lang po tayo. Mukha lang maiksi, pero we will make it fun and even more special para po sa inyo. Para merry-merry po ang ating Christmas. Okay? And syempre naman po, as we continue on with our program, bago tayo magpatuloy na please allow me to introduce myself first. Sa magandang umaga sa ating lahat. And my name is Host Riza, and I'll be your host and singer at the same time. Ni-request po kasi, di ba? Mamaya daw po, I'll be singing for you some Christmas songs. So enjoy lang po tayo for your Christmas party over here 2025. And of course, to give our opening remarks this morning, palakpakan naman natin as all giving hand to your group sales manager, Miss Ange Ayala Manansala.
Hello, nako, sample, mahirap yan. Nako, good morning sa inyo lahat. Nako, thank you for coming. No, this is the first na ginawa natin sa ating team magkaroon ng Christmas party. And I'm very happy na ma-share ko ito kasama kayong lahat. So, thank you kasi kayo lang yung marunong pumunta sa time na sinabi natin. So, mamaya pa yan dadagsa for sure. Pero, again, thank you kasi alam ko hindi malapit na sa area ninyo, lalo na si Miss Debbie, si Sir George, yan. Tsaka sila Tita Ana, tsaka Sir Ronnie. Yun. So, thank you sa effort, no? And truly appreciated naman yung ginawa niyo. So, sana mag-enjoy kayo. I just prepared lang 2 videos para at least makita niyo what happened to us this year at saka yung mga naging travels na ginawa ni IT. Sige lang.
Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin one more time your group sales manager, Miss Angela Manansala. And we are about to present po a video presentation as she mentioned earlier. So first, alam niyo na. So we already did the games, messages, videos, lahat na po yan. Now naman po sa ating second part of our program ay magpaparaffle po tayo ng ating 3 lucky winners of this afternoon. So, meron po tayo, I call this roleta ng kapalaran or parang wheel of fortune, parang ganun. So, andito na po ang mga pangalan ninyo, which is already indicated na po sa wheel. And of course, we are about to draw 3 lucky winners po for our raffle prize. Okay? So, si Ma'am Ange po ang pipindot, syempre. And pakitingnan na lang po muna. Bago natin pindutin, you may please check your names if nandito po lahat. Baka may nakalimutan po kami. Baka may mamaya, hindi po namin nailagay. Check niyo po muna if andyan yung pangalan. Okay, ready na po kayo for our first winner? Again, we are about to draw 3 winners for this raffle. Okay? Ito na, for our first winner goes to... Ayun na, ako na rin sound effects, no? Congratulations! Napakaswerte, Efren! Okay. Napakaswerte naman ni Sir Efren over here. Kunin niyo na po ang iyong prize. Para na rin siyang Noche Buena package. Uy, parang parang higit pa to sa 500. Charot. O, di ba? Ganyan tayo ka-generous ngayong hapon, di ba? One dyan. Yes! Kung tutusin mo, parang ano yan, above 500, di ba? Sangka pa, di ba? Okay, ready po? Again, isa or dalawa lang po ang pwedeng matira according to Ma'am Ana. So, okay, 2 minutes. Timer starts now.